What's up, world? This is the ocean at night. This is the cruise ship right here, you know. But this is literally the ocean at nighttime. This is the ocean at nighttime. Like I said, this is the cruise ship right here. The only lights in the middle of the ocean at nighttime. And it's about 6:30 at night, and it's all you got. This is literally all you got. I mean, you can't see nothing. So what brought me to say this is that, you know how some people be missing at sea or lost at sea, and they be found after a few days? Well, when the sunlight goes down, this is what a person that's missing at sea has to deal with. I mean, it's completely pitch black dark. Completely dark. You know? And I don't know how a person can survive this right here. Literally. Because once you in there, you are a source of food for things much bigger than you. You know? And this is literally the ocean at nighttime. This is what you get. Cruise ship, ocean. One spooky place. This is one spooky place at nighttime. So individuals who say they don't travel in the ocean, I respect it. You know, because traveling in the ocean, look what we're going to. We're going forward, right? But look what we are going into. Pitch black darkness. And you guys know the military came out and said there's things in the water. So most likely there definitely is. To show you guys once again, this is a cruise ship. Cruise ship. This is a cruise ship. But in the middle of the ocean, you can't see nothing. Salute. This is the ocean in the daytime, in the morning. It look awesome. It's great. Beautiful. As you guys can see, that's the sun right there. Being covered up by a few clouds, but it looks beautiful. You know what I'm saying? As you're driving, the ship is driving, the wind is blowing. I feel like it's about 68, 70 degrees right now. And it looks awesome. And at the end of the day, it's beautiful scenery. But at nighttime, at night, it's a different story. But as you guys can see, the sun is rising on the ship. You pass it by, it's beautiful.